Hi there. Welcome in. What can I get started for you?
Hi, can I get a medium latte, please?
Absolutely. Is that for here or to go?
To go, please.
Perfect. And what kind of milk would you like? We have whole, skim, oat, almond, and soy.
Oat milk, please. Actually, wait, can I also add an extra shot of espresso?
Of course. So that is a medium oat milk latte with an extra shot. You want any syrup in there? Vanilla, caramel, hazelnut?
Hmm, you know what? Can I get half a pump of vanilla?
Half a pump, sure. We can do that.
Just a tiny bit, not too sweet. Oh, and actually, can you make it decaf? I know that probably sounds strange with an extra shot, but I just genuinely love the taste of espresso without the caffeine.
Honestly, you are not the first person to order that. Decaf, double shot, oat milk latte, half pump vanilla. Anything else I can add?
Actually, yes, sorry, one more thing. Can you leave a little room at the top? I like to add my own cream after.
No problem at all. Just so you know, the extra shot does add to the price. It is 75 cents on top.
Oh, that is completely fine, yeah.
Great. And can I get a name for the order?
Alex,
Alex. Perfect. Cash or card today?
card. Actually, hang on. Do you guys have any of those coffee cards? Like a loyalty card or something?
We do. Every 10 drinks you get one free. I can set that up for you right now if you want. It only takes a second.
Oh, yes, please, that would be great.
Cool. Let me just grab one. Okay, so I am going to stamp it once for today's order. There you go. 9 more to go.
Amazing, thank you. So, what is my total?
So, with the extra shot, that comes to $6.20.
Sorry, quick question. Is the oat milk extra too, or just the shot?
Just the shot. Oat milk is included in the base price here.
Oh, nice, good to know.
Perfect. I will just need you to tap or insert whichever you prefer.
Okay, here's my card. I will tap.
Great. That has gone through. So your order is a decaf oat milk latte, double shot, half pump vanilla, room at the top. I will call out Alex when it is ready. Should be about 3 to 4 minutes.
Perfect. Oh, and is there a sleeve on that cup? I always burn my hand.
Always. Yes, we put a sleeve on all the to-go cups. You are good.
Amazing. Thank you so much.
Of course. Have a wonderful day.
You too, thanks.